This will come today. Huh? 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 Ow! Oh! Oh! Ow! My leg! My leg! Ah! My shoulder! My arm! Ah! My back! Oh! I hope I don't get any more apples. Oh! I should build my new house. I've been working on it. Okay, here I go. Halfway done. Now I'm going tired in it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Yes! It's diving! No! Oh, this is heavy. Do you know Carson came in? Wait, where is Carson? Hey,
Oh,
so
there he is.
you're building a house? Wow, that's cool. Hold up. Let me help you. I'm a professional engineer. I'm strong. I am strong. This is not tight enough on these. You gotta have it nice and tight. Yeah. No! What is that? The Avalanche mare! We got Bill! I got it. We got Bill! I don't know why, but you live in a snowy area. I'm just kidding. But why are there avalanches down here? I don't know. If we be quiet, it won't happen. Okay, let's whisper. Oh no!
Don't worry, it didn't break.
Everybody. Look, it didn't break. Great.
That's how you go for it.
Cars. Oh! Well, extra pieces falling out of the sky.
How helpful.
How helpful.
Avalanche, I will give you anything you want.
Cars! Just what you need to do is be quiet. Be quiet again. Hey guys. Oh, it's stormy out there. You don't want to go out with me. No way. That's why I'm building a house. Because people say there's a tornado warning coming. But I don't know why the avalanche is happening. Probably because the tornado sirens are going off. No, they're not.
Hey, Jared.
Hey guys! What are you I don't know what you guys are doing. Okay, I'm just gonna leave. I was super useful.
There seems like a heavy pillow.
I'm strong now.
I'm just here to build a house.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Don't worry, I'll get that. Watch out.
I'm glad I'm a professional builder, everybody.
Calm down. Pillows.
We need to get out of here!
Wonder what the littles are doing.
Mountain's gonna smash us!
Refreshing. Yummy.
The whole thing is coming down. Jinx! 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 Jump Jinx!
What? Did I just hear jinx? It's probably nothing. Anyway, I wonder what the littles are doing.